Generative AI stands at the forefront of a transformative era, reshaping our interaction with data and redefining the boundaries of creativity across diverse sectors. This innovative tool utilizes sophisticated statistical techniques to generate content across text, images, and code, empowering individuals and industries with remarkable capabilities. In this video, you'll gain an understanding of the multifaceted landscape of generative AI, exploring its vast capabilities, industry implications, and the career opportunities it presents. Before we get into more detail, let's answer the question, what is generative AI? Examples of these models are generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and transformer models. With these models, generative AI can create outputs that closely mimic human-made content. Using generative AI as an assistant can make a positive contribution across multiple industries. For example, imagine a trendy clothing store using generative AI to design unique patterns and styles based on customer preferences. With GANs, the AI could generate lifelike images of clothing designs, enabling the store to offer personalized options to each customer. This application not only enhances the shopping experience, but also streamlines the design process, illustrating how generative AI is reshaping industries through its creative capabilities. Now that you're up to speed on what generative AI is, let's explore some of its capabilities across different functions. Firstly, there's text generation, where generative AI models like Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT, can compose essays, generate creative writing, automate customer support, and more. Imagine how generative AI can bring the store collection to life for shoppers, effortlessly crafting engaging product descriptions, captivating social media posts, and personalized customer communication that mimics the tone and style of human interaction. Next, there's image creation. Generative AI can transform textual descriptions into stunning visual representations. For the retail store, this means converting text into realistic images of new apparel designs, from elegant evening gowns to casual streetwear, providing the store's creative team with endless inspiration and flexibility in bringing their vision to life. This capability is revolutionizing fields such as graphic design, video game development, film production, and marketing and branding, where custom visuals can be created quickly and at scale. With audio production, the store's marketing and branding department uses generative AI's audio ability to synthesize speech, compose music, and create sound effects. Generative AI produces captivating audiovisual content for advertising campaigns, captivating audiences and enhancing brand visibility. In addition to its applications in creative fields like fashion, generative AI also showcases its capability in code generation. Imagine the retail store leveraging generative AI to optimize its online presence. AI would aid the store's programmers by suggesting improvements, completing lines of code, or even creating entire programs. This would not only streamline website development, but also enhance user experience, ensuring seamless navigation and captivating visuals for online shoppers. Finally, there is data synthesis. In the fashion world, staying ahead of the curve is crucial, and generative AI aids the store in achieving just that. It utilizes extensive data sets on fashion trends, customer preferences, and style influencers. The store can conduct market research and analyze customer behavior ethically and responsibly by generating synthetic data sets that maintain statistical properties without compromising individual privacy. This application is crucial for training more AI models where access to real data might be restricted or unethical. So, what are the industry implications of this emerging technology? The deployment of generative AI across various industries indicates a major shift in operational dynamics. In healthcare, AI-generated models can predict patient outcomes, personalize treatment plans, and automate administrative tasks. In finance, AI can manage risk assessment, automate trading, and personalize banking services. The creative industry is seeing an explosion of innovation and inspiration as generative AI-aided tools are contributing hugely to the fields of art, music, and literature, pushing the boundaries of traditional creativity. As AI evolves, its impact on the workforce and industry standards will be significant. The demand for AI knowledge is growing, and learning to work with AI will be crucial for career advancement in all fields. Jobs that traditionally didn't involve technology will start using AI tools more often. This shift will require professionals in most fields to develop new skills and undergo additional training to effectively integrate generative AI into their work. As a result, educational programs and workshops focusing on generative AI and its applications are becoming increasingly important, offering valuable resources for those looking to stay relevant and excel in their careers. Both businesses and individuals need to understand and adapt to generative AI's capabilities to fully harness its potential. Generative AI is not just a tool for creating and automating, it is a catalyst for innovation and transformation across all areas. In this video, you gained an understanding of the capabilities of generative AI and its implications for various industries. You also explored some of the career opportunities it will create. As we continue to explore and expand these technologies' capabilities, the opportunities for advancement and creativity are limitless. Welcome to the age of generative AI, where everyone has the chance to redefine the boundaries of what is possible.